If you've ever wanted to experience East Coast charm in a West Coast lifestyle, then this is the perfect house for you. Today we're taking a look at a 4-bedroom, 3-bath in Saugus, California. Let's go. Here's a view from the outside, and you can see it's part of that expansive open terrain of Valencia/Santa Clarita. Take a step inside. Very open layout. You can see there's this New England sort of interior decor here. And the panels on the wall are very cool, very East Coast style. We're gonna go through the hallway. This, by the way, was an original owner who lived here, and they lived here for about 3 decades. So the house is still relatively new and everything's in good shape. You get a terraced backyard, so you get a lot of privacy. Another thing that's neat about this house is, check it out, in-law suite, perfect for multi-generational living. Again, these carpeted stairs bring to mind that like East Coast lifestyle, which is pretty nice, not to mention the plates here. Very bright colors in these rooms really give it a sense of the master suite. Nice little balcony that they added themselves. A walk-in closet to the left and a bathroom to the right. It's selling for $949, and I don't think this one will last long. So if you're interested, let me know. Thanks for watching.